Hey, so if voice notes are not working in Google Keep, yeah, like you can't record audio, the mic doesn't respond, or recordings fail, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, make sure Google Keep has microphone permission. I mean, if mic access is blocked, voice notes won't work at all. Next, yeah, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, voice notes need syncing to upload properly. Now, restart your phone or PC. I mean, this resets the microphone system and fixes temporary glitches. Yeah, other apps might be using your microphone. Close all background apps and try again. Now, corrupted cache can break voice recording features. Clearing cache often fixes the issue. Yeah, an outdated app version can cause microphone bugs. Make sure Google Keep is updated. Now, test your microphone using another app. I mean, if it doesn't work there either, it's a device issue, not Google Keep. Yeah, battery saver mode can restrict background recording. Turn it off temporarily. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Google Keep. I mean, this resets all app permissions and fixes corrupted files. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Keep voice note issues. Most of the time, it's permissions, mic access, or cache problems. Try these steps and it should work again. Thanks for watching.